Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the Stellar XLM. What's going on in the Stellar XLM? When will the price rise up? And my friends, in this video, we'll especially discuss the previous time period of the Stellar XLM and the June-July month. The price of Stellar XLM is completely fast down. A lot of holders lost his money in the Stellar XLM. You know what? A lot of people message me that I'm lost $1,000, I'm lost $2,000. So a lot of people message me like that they lost his money in the cryptocurrencies, my friends. So in this video we are going to discuss the loss of the Stellar XLM, my friends. My friends, first of all, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now and also like this video, my friends, for more news and updates videos. Now, my friend, at this time the latest price of the Stellar XLM is 0.232915 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Stellar XLM. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change, so now the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day, last 1 weekend change is okay, and the XLM is negative. Completely the price of XLM is going down, my friends. So I think that's really a big loss for all Stellar XLM holders. But in this time and the lowest time, I recommend for all of holders that please hold, and absolutely if you want buy more, so that's really good idea for all of you to buy more and more Stellar XLM, because now the current price, you can see here that now the current live price of Stellar XLM is very low, and they have to, the price will pump in the future. So this is how you can make money with the Stellar XLM, my friends. Anyways, my friends, we can't say about the future. Maybe the price jumps, maybe the price falls down more in the future, but I recommend for all of you to, it's time to hold and it's time to buy more and more. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.